Many minutes later.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, Monza, wake up.
The Lord began to tell me I'll never give up on you.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at any.
Good morning, my people. Teeth brushed, face at least washed, and I'm just going to use this time to prepare my breakfast and plan for the week. I usually prefer to plan for my week on Sundays. I already had my morning service online because the circumstances beyond my control, actually in my control, but I couldn't make it to church today, so I just decided to do church online. I did the first service and now just getting ready. I'm going to do breakfast and just show you basically how my fridge looks like, what I love to stock up with. So I didn't want this to be like, oh bougie, oh cutie, but it's a lazy morning, and I was just like, okay, might as well just do some content, and I'm just going to show you guys my fridge. So let's do it. You guys, what are you doing in my fridge? Like, what are you doing here? What are you doing in my fridge? All right, since you're already here, might as well just show you, give you a tour of what I usually stock up in my fridge. Start here. I have some eggs. I have the chili and garlic paste Chaduri by Zamo, one of my favorite pastes in the whole entire world. Here I have margarine, which is like what I use maybe for baking, rarely though. And I have the cheese, usually for a sandwich. The other one usually for food because it's like gradable and all that. Then I have butter spread. I have chocolate chips that I have got for a long time that I just never used. We have tomato paste. I always stock up this particular brand, this particular tomato paste, because it's affordable and it's just good. Once in a while, I usually love to have the orange marmalade. I couple it with some crackers. I don't know, I just love that combination once in a while if I'm craving for something sweet. Down here, I have the chocolate syrup that I've had for like a year plus. I never used it, but I'll try and make use of it. I have the Steers paste, the Steers, let me show you guys. The Steers peri peri sauce, I love it for marinade. Then I have white wine vinegar, usually good for salads. Amazing, amazing. My oat thyme barbecue sauce. So the thing with me is, like, I'm not a sauce person. These sauces I usually use like really once in a while, but for the vinegars and all that, yes, I do that, especially if I have people to cook for. Then I have the red chili, the peri peri. This is the African sauce. My favorite, the Chinese soy sauce. I go miles away for this one. Hits home. I keep my vegetables. So we have impwa, we have green pepper, we have some tomatoes, and we have some carrots. Then over here, I have some leftover pasta. Let's see what else we have. So I have the German loaf. I love this type of bread because it's like whole grain, it has seeds in it, which is like one of my favorite things to do for breakfast. Like, I love a whole breakfast that will keep me full longer, and this bread just does it for me. Leftover avocado. It's gone bad. No, it's going bad, but I'll try and make some cream out of it. We have white bread. My household usually has white bread, and I go for brown bread. Then here we have peanut butter. Haven't used it yet, got it like a couple of days ago. Let's see, we have tomato paste, almost done. Use it for cooking as well once in a while, like I mentioned. I've had this garlic sauce for like forever. I don't even know when I'll finish it, but it's just better in marinade, I think. And over here I have the concentrated aloe by Herbalife. There we go. Let's put that there, here, and my leftover there. So if you were wondering, I get these from China Mall, any China Mall. Well, not any China Mall. I think the ones that should have is the one at East Park, Golden Oaklet. Yep. Then here I have eggs, cherry tomatoes. Here we have natural yogurt, and there we have regular unsweetened soy milk. I've replaced basic milk with soy milk because I just find that it helps me maintain my healthier lifestyle and also my skin. There we have blueberries, we have grapes and strawberry, we have kiwi and cucumber. There we have oranges and lemon. And down here is where like mostly relish is. Yeah. Truth be told, when it comes to the fridge, is like it doesn't stay this full most of the time, because I tend to like now I'm going to do meal prep. So obviously I'll do the fruits. I'll show you guys. If you haven't seen that video, it's already existing on my YouTube channel. So I'm just going to meal prep, and also I'm going to make the smoothie packs. Actually, the smoothie pack is what I'm saying is on the channel already. So I'm going to do smoothie packs, and most of the fruits will be out of here. Like, this tray becomes empty for like the whole month. And yeah, realistically speaking, it doesn't stay like this all time. Sometimes they're like dry moments, but I always ensure I stock up my vegetables every 2 weeks, depending on how it is. Yeah, every 2 weeks. So basically this is my fridge. And a few things about me. What is one of the things that I can't do without in my fridge? Eggs, cherry tomatoes. I don't know. Eggs and cherry tomatoes are a must-have for me, and of course, a fruit or two. That will be me. I'll be good. I'm actually just getting back to eating natural yogurt, so I would say soy milk as well. Yep. And I'm not a fan of onion. That's one weird thing about me. I can survive without onion, so it's not a big deal for me to have onion in this fridge. But I don't know, like once in a while, not once in a while, I have onion, but it's not a big deal. I can eat food without onion. Does that make sense? So basically, this is my fridge. Here is my fridge. Like whatever you want to know about, we got it. You got it, you got it. Oh my God. Now some time to make some breakfast. Oh, I forgot to show you guys this, because it was up there. So for breakfast, I'm going to make an avocado sandwich. So let's do this. So I'm going for a good looking breakfast. Having my breakfast with some music. So some music on. Let's find the speakers first. Here we go. I was playing. Oh, wait a minute. I was playing. Isso.
Regarding the what?
Regarding bicycle.
Ah, yes. Yes.
Yeah. So the person is, is just moving from Lusaka. So he's very much serious to give away. So he's ready to give in Kwacha 2,500. If you are ready, you can go with cash and you can take. Because it's almost a new bike, new cycle.
Yeah, I know, but that's the only money I had now, and that was what I could. That's what I can afford now.
Yeah, actually, he don't want to give, he don't wanted to give it, but some circumstances come. That's why he's.
I don't know, this is just kind of like good news, because the person who just called me, I'm having my breakfast and this person calls me, was selling like a brand new bicycle, literally brand new. It hasn't been used as much as I think. He's leaving the country, so he's trying to get rid of that bike, and I've really been crying and looking for a bike, because then I can also cycle in the morning. Like I can cycle as a workout in the morning, because I love riding bikes. I love anything to do with adventure. So the lady just called me telling me they can get my offer, because initially they're selling it for 3,000. I was like, no, if you decide to sell it for 2,000, let me know, because that's like my budget. So fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed, fingers crossed. So basically my morning just starts now. I'm going to clean up the kitchen and start cooking. So I'm wondering if I should take a bath before or after, because like the smell of food will still be on me. Usually even before I eat, I take a bath, because then I know I'm not cooking. But now today I was just like, I'm going to be cooking, so might as well just bath after I am done cooking. So that's what I'm really deliberating on. Now let's also call my sister, because she hasn't been feeling well. Hey Google, call Cassie Fashion Line.
Many minutes later. Lowlands.
Refreshed, I feel better, and I will be working on my assignment. So guys, this is where I end my vlog. Thank you so much for entertaining me as I entertain you. At least you kept me busy, and I know I'm going to keep you busy. I hope you have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your week and stay productive.